Is your Garmin watch stuck in sleep mode? You're not alone. This video will guide you through fixing this common problem. Garmin watches use sleep mode to save battery, but sometimes they get stuck. We'll cover the most common causes and how to get your watch working again, based on the latest updates in 2026. Garmin's sleep mode activates to conserve battery by dimming the screen and disabling non-essential sensors when the watch detects inactivity, usually after 5 to 10 minutes. The problem arises when the watch misinterprets user intent, leading to unresponsiveness. Understanding how it works is key to fixing it. Several factors can cause your Garmin to get stuck in sleep mode. A low battery below 10% is a frequent culprit. Always charge it fully. Software glitches from outdated firmware or corrupted apps can also lock the watch. We'll show you how to identify and address these common issues with some quick solutions. The first and simplest solution is a soft reset. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. This often restarts the watch and gets it out of sleep mode without losing any data. This simple step resolves the issue for many users, so it's the best place to start. Outdated firmware is a common cause of sleep mode issues. Use the Garmin Connect app on your phone or Garmin Express on your computer to check for and install any available updates. Garmin released a targeted fix in January 2026, version 14.6, which automatically resets sleep timers after prolonged inactivity, addressing many sleep mode problems. Sometimes, settings misconfigurations cause the issue. Check your watch's settings for auto sleep timers or do not disturb modes. Disable auto sleep or adjust the sensitivity under System Power Management to prevent unwanted sleep mode activation. Settings misconfigurations, such as auto sleep timers or do not disturb modes, can override wake signals and keep your watch in sleep mode. First, access your watch's main menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the System submenu. Then, select Power Management from the System menu. In Power Management, disable the auto sleep timer or adjust the sensitivity settings to prevent unwanted sleep mode activation. If the previous troubleshooting steps don't resolve the sleep mode issue, a factory reset might be necessary as a more comprehensive solution. You can initiate a factory reset directly through the Garmin Connect mobile app on your smartphone. However, be aware that a factory reset will completely erase all your personal data and settings from the watch. So make sure to back up any important information through the app first if possible. If the sleep mode problems continue even after a factory reset, especially with older Garmin watches, this could be a sign of a hardware malfunction. A common hardware issue is a faulty accelerometer, the sensor that detects your wrist movements to wake the watch from sleep mode. In such cases, contact Garmin customer support to arrange for professional repairs or replacement. Most Garmin watches are covered by a 2-year warranty that includes repairs for manufacturing defects and hardware faults like this. Looking ahead, Garmin is developing AI-driven solutions to predict when you'll need to wake your watch, preventing sleep mode issues before they occur. Future models will use machine learning to customize sleep thresholds based on your usage patterns. To minimize sleep mode problems long-term, keep your watch firmware updated, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, and always use genuine Garmin chargers. Stay tuned for future updates that will make sleep mode more reliable and user-friendly.